Have you ever felt emotionally drained at any point of your life? Well, we all have been there. In the heart of every individual lies a silent yearning for emotional strength, a desire to navigate the tumultuous waves of life with unwavering confidence and unyielding fortitude. The ancient wisdom of Stoicism offers us a timeless guide to cultivating this inner resilience. Through the teachings of venerable philosophers, we can discover how to master our emotions, overcome destructive impulses, and radiate charisma and confidence. Let us embark on this journey together, exploring the depths of Stoic wisdom to build emotional strength and transform our lives. Embrace the impermanence of life. In the quiet solitude of reflection, we confront the impermanence of life. The Stoic philosopher Seneca once wrote, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life. Let us postpone nothing. Let us balance life's books each day." By accepting the transient nature of our existence, we free ourselves from the chains of fear and anxiety. We learn to cherish each moment, to live fully and authentically, unburdened by the dread of the unknown. This acceptance is not a resignation but a powerful affirmation of life's preciousness, a foundation upon which true emotional strength is built. To deepen this practice, consider engaging in regular moments of reflection. At the start or end of each day, spend a few minutes contemplating the transient nature of life. Visualize the passage of time and recognize that each day is a precious gift. This meditation will cultivate a mindset that appreciates the fleeting beauty of each moment, helping you to prioritize what truly matters and let go of petty concerns. Cultivate self-control. At the core of emotional strength lies the virtue of self-control. The Stoic thinker Epictetus reminds us, "No man is free who is not master of himself." To be emotionally strong, we must learn to govern our impulses and desires. This mastery is achieved through daily practice and mindful awareness. When faced with provocation, we pause and reflect, choosing our response with deliberate intention. By exercising self-control, we transcend the immediate gratification of our baser instincts and cultivate a profound inner strength that commands respect and admiration. Self-control can be nurtured through various practices. One effective method is to start small and gradually build your capacity for self-discipline. For instance, you might begin by setting a simple daily goal such as resisting the urge to check your phone during meals. Over time, as you achieve these small victories, you will strengthen your ability to control your impulses in more significant areas of your life. This growing self-mastery will translate into a greater sense of confidence and emotional resilience. Embrace adversity. Adversity is not our enemy, but our greatest teacher. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius in his Meditations wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." When we face challenges, we have the opportunity to grow and evolve. Instead of shunning difficulties, we embrace them, recognizing that they forge our character and enhance our resilience. Each obstacle we overcome adds to our reservoir of strength, enabling us to face future trials with increased confidence and poise. To harness the power of adversity, adopt a mindset that views challenges as opportunities for growth. When faced with a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? How can this make me stronger? By reframing adversity in this way, you transform obstacles into stepping stones toward greater resilience. Additionally, consider keeping a journal to document your experiences and reflections on overcoming challenges. This practice will help you to see your progress and reinforce your commitment to embracing adversity with courage and determination. Practice mindful detachment. Emotional strength is rooted in the practice of mindful detachment. We learn to observe our emotions without becoming enslaved by them. As Marcus Aurelius advised, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. By cultivating a state of inner calm and detachment, we can navigate life's storms with equanimity. We acknowledge our emotions, but we do not allow them to dictate our actions. This mindful detachment is a key to maintaining our composure and charisma, even in the face of adversity. To develop mindful detachment, incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Simple techniques such as mindful breathing, body scans, or meditation can help you to become more aware of your emotional state without becoming overwhelmed by it. When you notice a strong emotion arising, take a few deep breaths and observe the sensation without judgment. This practice will create a space between the emotion and your response, allowing you to choose a measured and composed reaction. Over time, this habit will enhance your emotional resilience and reinforce your inner strength. Reflect on mortality. The Stoics often engaged in the practice of memento mori, meditating on mortality. This contemplation is not meant to be morbid, but to instill a profound appreciation for the present moment. By reflecting on the brevity of life, we gain clarity and focus. We prioritize what truly matters and discard the trivial distractions that drain our energy. This awareness of our mortality empowers us to live with purpose and passion, enhancing our confidence and charisma. To integrate this practice into your life, create a ritual of reflecting on mortality. This could involve reading philosophical texts that discuss the impermanence of life, such as Seneca's letters to Lucilius or Marcus Aurelius's Meditations. Alternatively, you might spend a few moments each day contemplating the transient nature of existence and the inevitability of death. This reflection will deepen your appreciation for life and motivate you to live with greater intention and authenticity. Seek inner peace. True emotional strength is found in the pursuit of inner peace. Epictetus taught, "It is not events that disturb us, but our interpretation of them." By changing our perception, we can maintain tranquility even in the midst of chaos. We focus on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and attitudes, and let go of what we cannot. This inner peace is a source of immense strength, enabling us to remain centered and grounded no matter what life throws our way. To cultivate inner peace, practice focusing on the present moment and accepting things as they are. Mindfulness exercises, such as meditation or yoga, can help you to develop this skill. Additionally, adopt a mindset of radical acceptance, acknowledging that certain aspects of life are beyond your control. By letting go of the need to control everything, you create space for peace and tranquility to flourish within you. This inner calm will enhance your confidence and charisma, as others will be drawn to your serene and grounded presence. Live by virtue. The Stoics held virtue as the highest good. By living in accordance with virtues such as courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance, we cultivate a moral compass that guides our actions. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." By embodying these virtues, we build a reputation of integrity and honor. This virtuous living enhances our confidence and charisma, as others are drawn to our steadfastness and moral clarity. To embody Stoic virtues, make a conscious effort to incorporate them into your daily life. Reflect on the qualities you admire and aspire to embody, and set specific goals to practice these virtues. For example, you might challenge yourself to act with courage in a difficult situation, or to exercise temperance in your daily habits. By consistently striving to live by your values, you will cultivate a sense of purpose and integrity that strengthens your emotional resilience and enhances your charisma. Embrace the present moment. Finally, emotional strength is anchored in the present moment. The Stoics believed in the power of now, urging us to fully engage with the present. Seneca advised, "Life is divided into 3 parts: past, present, and future. Of these, the present is short, the future is doubtful, the past is certain." By focusing on the here and now, we free ourselves from the regrets of the past and the anxieties of the future. This presence of mind enhances our ability to respond effectively to life's challenges, projecting an aura of calm confidence that is both captivating and inspiring. To practice living in the present moment, Develop mindfulness habits that anchor you in the here and now. Pay attention to your surroundings, engage fully in your activities, and savor each experience as it unfolds. Avoid dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about future uncertainties, and instead, focus on making the most of the present. This mindful presence will enhance your emotional resilience and make you more charismatic, as others will be drawn to your genuine and engaged demeanor. As we weave these Stoic teachings into the fabric of our daily lives, we build an unshakable foundation of emotional strength. We learn to embrace the impermanence of life, cultivate self-control, welcome adversity, and practice mindful detachment. We reflect on our mortality, seek inner peace, live by virtue, and embrace the present moment. Through these practices, we not only enhance our own resilience and confidence, but also radiate a charisma that inspires and uplifts those around us. Together, let us strive for this inner transformation, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, and become beacons of strength and confidence in a world often fraught with uncertainty and turmoil. By embracing these Stoic principles and integrating them into our daily routines, we unlock the potential for profound personal growth. Emotional strength, confidence, and charisma are not innate traits, but qualities that can be developed through deliberate practice and reflection. As we journey together on this path, let us remember the words of Epictetus. It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. With this wisdom as our guide, we can face life's challenges with grace and fortitude, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before.